Welcome back to Overheat. For recreational vehicles RVs, the 2026 Mercedes Benz Actros Motorhome STX is the pinnacle of luxury. It is designed for those who want to travel in the highest level of luxury and comfort. Below is a detailed description of the features offered, key characteristics, and unalterable. Luxuriance. Every element is designed to provide the highest level of comfort and functionality. From high-end materials to state-of-the-art technologies, the spacious interior and flexible layout allow owners to tailor the space to their needs. Technological innovation. The fully computerized cockpit offers navigation, entertainment, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. The infotainment system's functionality for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto makes integrating smartphones simple. The top-tier surround sound system provides an amazing auditory experience. 360 video, automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assistance are examples of advanced safety technologies. Usability and comfort. A king-size bed with an opulent memory foam mattress for a restful night's sleep. The in-suite bathroom has a rain shower, chic fixtures, and a smart toilet with auto-clean capabilities. A multi-zone climate control system allows visitors to adjust the temperature in different areas. Smart home technology integrates everything from lighting and security to entertainment and climate management via a touchscreen panel or smartphone app. Extras and external features: an extendable awning with LED lighting, an external entertainment system, and an integrated outdoor kitchen with a sink and grill. A spacious back garage that can accommodate a fancy sports car, motorcycle, or outdoor equipment. A hydraulic leveling system makes it simple to set up for camping. Solar panels enable the use of sustainable energy. A central vacuum system facilitates easy cleaning. In conclusion, the Mercedes Benz Actros Motorhome STX 2026 is a sophisticated combination of state-of-the-art technology, lavish elegance, and practical conveniences.